All right, you guys, I didn't teach you these, so therefore you don't need to know those. Yay! Okay, but you do need to know how to write this as a positive exponent. So because it's negative, he's saying, hey, I don't like where I'm at, so I'm going to need to change my place. Since he's in the denominator, you need to put him in the numerator. And look what happens. He's positive. Let's look at E. N is to the -3. He's in the numerator. He goes, hey, I don't like where I belong. So now he's going to go in the denominator. And now look at, the exponent is positive. All is good with the world. All right, let's go down here to 16. They want us to simplify these following properties. All right, so whenever we divide, we subtract the exponents. So it's 4, and then we have 15 over 7 minus 6 over 7, which gives me 4, and is that 9/7, okay? 5, whenever we multiply like bases, we add our exponents. So I have 5 to the, 6/4 plus 9/4, which gives me 5 to the 15/4, right? Because 6 plus 9 is 15. Let's do number 7. Now whenever we raise, we multiply exponents. So this is 7 to the 2 times 9, x to the 9th, which gives me 7 to the 18th, x to the 9th. Okay, let's do number 4D. So that is going to be 4 squared over 9 squared. Okay, remember they say don't solve. Okay, anything to the -1 power, that's just the reciprocal. So that's just going to be 6/5. Okay, let's do F. F, remember when we divide like bases, we subtract. So that's going to be A to the 16th over 7 minus 9 divided by 7. Why do we have these numbers again? 16 minus 9 is 17 over 7. Yay. Let's do G. This is a rewrite. You don't have to do G. Let's do H. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So I have y to the 7th over x. Now look at that. Y is not happy. He's to the -3. So I'm going to put him upstairs. And so now I have y to the 10th, because 7 plus 3 is 10, divided by x. Okay, let's do I. Everybody gets squared. So I'm going to square the x, and I'm going to square the y, and same thing downstairs. So I'm going to get x to the 4th, because 2 times 2 is 4. Y to the 8th, because 4 times 2 is 8, divided by x squared, and then here I have y to the 4th. Okay, so now look at that. I got my x's and my y's. So 4 minus 2 is x2, and 8 minus 4 is 4, so y to the 4th. Okay, let's go do J. I'm going to erase some of this here. Okay, so I'm raising it to the 1/2 power. All right, so that's going to be x to the 9/2. Oh, I hate when that happens. 9/2 power. Y to the 7/2 power. Divided by x to the 1/2 power. Y to the 7/2 power. Okay, hopefully you realize that 7/2 and 7/2 is just 1, right? So I'm going to subtract here my x's. So I have x to the 9/2 minus 1/2 is 8/2, which is 4. So this is just x to the 4th. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, please come in for tutoring.